So the next exercise in my OSPF lab is to try to filter out inter-area prefixes. So how do I filter? How do I stop, let's say, R4 from advertising one of its networks, except for shutting down the interface? Maybe 10120 should be filtered out, and area 0, and as a result area 5 should not have reachability for the moment towards 10.1.2.0/24. There's at least two ways of doing that. One way is actually to utilize prefix list and filter list command in OSPF. So prefix list come in handy. It's really good to learn, and we've already seen the prefix list in action in one of the previous videos. So I'm going to create a prefix list preventing or denying 10.1.2.0 but allowing all other networks to be advertised. In my case, it's going to be 10.1.3 network. So IP prefix list, let's say R2 OSPF filter, and I'm going to say deny statement. I'm going to deny the network 10.1.2.0, and since this is actually exactly subnet/24, that is going to be the exact match. I don't need an operator because I'm not matching on multiple networks. It's just that particular network 10.1.2.0. So I don't need an operator LE or GE in this particular statement. But I need to permit something else. So I'm going to say the same name, and I'm going to say permit everything else, which is the alt address, all zeros. Mask is not checking any bits. Less or equal 32 bits. Anything else, that's what anything else stands for here in prefix list. Now I need to apply that filter. So before I do that, let's just jump to R1 and see that we have show IP route OSPF. Actually 10.1.2.0. We're learning this via OSPF, process 1, administrative distance is 110, metric is 20, type inter-area prefix. So it means it comes from outside our own area. It's signified as OIA, show IP route OSPF. It's signified as OIA here, inter-area route. So I need to be on the ABR to do that. So that's why R4 is my configuration router, and I'm going to jump to router OSPF now, and I'm going to apply this filter in OSPF on ABR, which is R4, area border router. I'm going to say area 4 filter list, and now it will ask me for prefix keyword and the prefix name. So my prefix list name is here. I'm going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to prevent that, use that filter while sending advertisements out. So it is going to be out. So do show IP prefix list. Let's go for detail. So what happened was that this actually did work. I know that for a fact because there's a hit count here, 1. That means that this statement was used, and also this one, everything else was advertised as well. There was another prefix 10.1.3 that was advertised as well. So I know it worked, and obviously do show run section OSPF. This is my command right now. From area 4, we'll use filter list, and our matching mechanism is a prefix called R2._OSPF_filter while sending advertisement out. Out means into the area 0. So if I go back here, if I repeat that statement, show IP route OSPF, this network should be now gone from the routing table, and it is. So if I ask specifically for that network, it shows as it's not available in the routing table.